In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download songs here on YouTube for offline listening. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by obviously opening up the YouTube app on your device and then find the song, playlist, or mix that you want to go ahead and download. For example, you can open up a music mix or a specific track just by searching for it. I'm just going to use this video right up at the very top as an example, but open it up and you'll see either a three-dot icon where you can go ahead and select it, or you'll just be able to scroll through the video and there's going to be a little download option, but hit the three dots or find the little download video option and select download video. It's going to immediately pop up with a page and start downloading for you. As you can see, it says pause downloading for me right there. And to actually see your download, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right. Scroll down a little bit, you're going to see downloads right here. Open up, and here is your download. This is going to show you all the videos and music that you've saved for offline listening, and you can now even listen without an internet connection. But that is it. I really do hope this video helped you download songs for offline listening here on YouTube. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.